Welcome to the world of birds. From A to Z, join us as we explore the skies and meet some feathered friends along the way. R. R for robin. Where are robin found? Description: the American robin is a species of bird in the family Muscicapidae. It is widespread in the Indian subcontinent and ranges across Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. S. S for sparrow. Where are sparrows found? One of about 25 species in the genus Passer, the house sparrow is native to most of Europe, the Mediterranean basin, and a large part of Asia. Its intentional or accidental introductions to many regions, including parts of Australasia, Africa, and the Americas, make it the most widely distributed wild bird. T. T for tit. Where are tit found? The tits are a widespread family of birds, occurring over most of Europe, Asia, North America, and Africa. The genus Poasul occurs from Europe through Asia into North America, as far south as southern Mexico. American species in this genus are known as chickadees. U. U for upland sandpipers. Where are upland sandpipers found? Upland sandpipers nest in grasslands and are most numerous in native prairies in the Great Plains. They also nest in pastures, both grazed and unraised, and in agricultural fields, especially fallow fields, but sometimes hay or other crop fields. Some even nest in road edges. V. V for Vermilion Flycatcher. Where are Vermilion Flycatcher found? In all seasons, the Vermilion Flycatcher can be found in any open country in the American Southwest, including arid scrublands, farmlands, deserts, parks, and canyon mouths. W. W for Warba. Where are Warba found? Members of the family occur mainly from Europe and Asia to Australia and Africa, but a few of these birds, notably the kinglet, Regulus, and gnatcatcher, Polyoptila, live in the Americas. X. X for Xanthosa's hummingbird. Where are Xanthosa's hummingbird found? Xanthosa's hummingbird is endemic to central and southern Baja California, Mexico, but vagrants have been reported in Southern California and British Columbia. Although it is an endemic species with a restricted range, it is fairly common within its range. Y. Y for yellowhammer. Where are yellowhammer found? The yellowhammer, Emberiza citronella, is a passerine bird in the bunting family that is native to Eurasia and has been introduced to New Zealand and Australia. Z. Z for zebra dove. Where are zebra dove found? Native to Southeast Asia, but introduced to many islands, including the Hawaiian Islands, French Polynesia, Mauritius, and the Seychelles. It is generally quite abundant throughout both its native and non-native range, especially in urban and suburban areas, typically not found in dense forests. May the beauty of these birds inspire us to cherish and protect the natural world around us.
Please like and subscribe my channel, press the bell icon.